Hey everybody, how's it going? So, as you can see here, I've got two tins. One says Oldsmobile, the other one says Plymouth. What is in these? Well, these are pretty cool, actually. Come on. Open. Come on. Really? There we go. We have watches. I don't know if these are worth anything. They got a decent bit of weight to them. This one, it says Plymouth there. Plymouth, I don't know if they're real silver. I don't know, anything about these. Probably some type of, home goods type of deal. I don't know. But yeah, I don't want to stainless steel, so it's probably a piece of junk. I don't know, but Daimler Chrysler, so this isn't very old, really. I'll have to look at them closer another time. But there's that one. These are probably something that you buy at like Home Goods or whatever. But I thought they were cool, so I traded the radio that I pulled out of the 2006 Ranger for them. And I'm going to end up giving him $40 if we can't get that radio to work out in his truck. Oldsmobile. Official license, product, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if they're worth anything. I'm going to look them up sometime. But in the tins, I don't know. I just thought that those were really cool. If anybody knows anything about these, then I'd be very under license to Taxer Incorporated. Does it say that on the back of this too? Probably. Yeah, I don't know. But these are definitely going to take up less space than that damn radio does, that I have no plans of ever using. So, yeah, I'm going to hold on to those and see if they're worth anything. And if not, they're just cool to even have as, shit laying around, because we've all got to have that. But anyway, if anyone knows anything about them, I'd be very interested in hearing what you got to say. And that's that. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you haven't. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.